This video is for the Fair Use Project Assignment 1, Create a Video. First, you're going to open up a new tab, and then you're going to click on the 3x3 grid that appears in the top right corner, and you're going to click on Drive. From here, what you're going to do is you're going to click the New button that's going to appear on the left-hand side. It's just going to take a moment to load. So you'll click the New button, and then you'll click on More. Then you're going to click on Connect More Apps. Then from here, what you're going to do is you're going to find the WeVideo app. So you'll type where it says Search Apps, WeVideo, all one word, and hit Enter. You'll click on Connect. Then click OK. Then you're going to X out of this window. You'll click on New again, click on More, and this time you'll see WeVideo Video Editor appear. You're going to click on that. Next, you're going to click the blue Allow button at the bottom of the screen. It's just going to take a moment to load. Okay, and if this screen comes up, click on Skip in the bottom right corner. Then what you're going to do is you're going to click on Create New. Okay, then what you're going to do in the meantime is you should have a second Chromebook where you can search for a YouTube song. So you're going to search for a song on YouTube, make sure that it's a clean version of the song. So we've got two Chromebooks, one on WeVideo and one that has a song open on YouTube. Now unfortunately it's taking a moment for WeVideo to load, so as soon as it loads I will give the next set of directions. Okay, from here what you're going to do is you're going to click on the circle for K-12, then click on the circle for I'm a student, and then answer the question where it says how much experience you have with editing videos. A lot of people might say none, and then click on Start. Then you want to click where it says Start Editing. From here what we're going to do is we're going to click on the three lines in the top left corner and then click on Timeline Mode. From here, what we're going to do is we're going to click on the trash can that appears right here. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to go into the bottom right corner. We're going to find a little tiny circle, and we're going to drag it to the left-hand side until it's about 3/4 of the way toward the minus sign. So up at the top we should see 001, 002, 003, and so on. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to add a recording of a song. So you're going to click where it says the little microphone next to audio 1. And then you're going to click on the microphone. Now, you can't violate copyright law, so you can only do about 15 seconds or so of a song for your recording. On your other Chromebook, where you have the video, you want to make sure that the volume is turned all the way up. You're then going to click on the microphone, click on Allow, click on Remember, and then click on Close. Then you're going to click Allow up at the top. Then hit play. You already know it. Okay, so now we clicked on the stop button, the square. And in this case, we only have 18 seconds that was recorded, which is good. We don't want to record any more than probably about 20 seconds. And then click on the check mark. So now it's going to save that recording. From here, what we're going to do is we're going to edit the song so that we add in another sound effect. So what you're going to do is first you're going to play it, play the recording so that you know where you want to add the sound effect. So I'm just going to hit play right here and make sure the volume's turned up. Pause where you want to put it. So I'm going to put my sound effect in this case where the artist says the word whip. So I just paused it. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the music note and I'm going to scroll down all the way over here on the left hand side and click on the sound effects folder. From here, I'm going to scroll down and you've got lots of different sound effects. So for example, I'm going to put in an animal noise, so I'm going to click on animals. And there's a bunch of them, so you can play them to see which you want to do. So for example, I'm going to maybe do a sheep. So I can hit the play button and listen to what the sheep sounds like. And I can hit stop in order to stop it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click and drag the sheep to play right there where I paused my video so that it does the sheep noise where it says the word whip. So right about there. Now what you're going to need to do next is you're going to need to make sure that it sounds the way you want it. So you might only want to play the song or the sound for a certain amount of time. So we're just going to hit play. Maybe we want to end the sound there so that it just does the sheep when the artist says the word whip. So what we're going to do is we're going to click and drag all the way over as far to the right as we can. And then you're going to put your pointer at the end of the clip that we just added. And then we're just going to play it for a second. So we click and drag it. And so now it'll just play for a second. And we've got this green playhead that you can go ahead and drag in order to kind of rewind it. So let's make sure it sounds the way we want it. So we'll hit play. So now it does a sheep every time when the artist says whip. So now we've edited the song. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to add a Creative Commons licensed picture. So we're going to open up a new tab and we're going to go to search.creativecommons.org. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to click on Google Images. And so for example, for mine, I think I'm going to do a picture of a sheep. So I'm just going to type in sheep. And next, I'll find a picture that I like. So I'll click on it. And then I'm going to do a 2-finger click on the touchpad, 2 fingers apart. And you're going to click on Save Image As. And then you'll click on Google Drive. And then click Save. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to click back to the Weave Video tab, and then you're going to click on the folder toward the top left corner. Click on the Upload Media button, and then what you're going to do is click on Browse to Select, and then from here you're going to click on Google Drive, and then you should see the picture that you just saved. So you'll click on it and then click on Open. So then what'll happen is it'll upload that picture, and now what we can do is once it's done, you can just go ahead and click on the little X. You want to make sure it says done first though. Then the picture should appear up here. You're going to click and drag that picture so that it goes into video, or actually put it so that it goes into main, so in the main part of the timeline. And then you're going to put your pointer on here and then make sure it's on the right hand border and click and drag it to last for the entire time that the song plays. And so now we can click and drag that green playhead back to the beginning and hit play.
Then hit play.
So now we've got the picture and the music and our sheep noise at the end. And that's it for this assignment.